Hey all guys! So for today's video, nandito ngayon tayo let's see, sa Altitude 2000 with my family because it's Holy Week. So we will spend our Holy Week here in Altitude 2000. Medyo hinihingal na ako kasi galing na ako sa baba kanina and nakakapagod yung stairs. But it's okay, it's worth it. Why did I say so? Because here's the view. Yan. There you go. So ito yung stairs. If you can still remember my previous vlog, galing na tayo dito and we just visited. There's accommodation, a transient house, a Nipa Hut. So, nag-inquire ako to have accommodation here sa Holy Week because it's so relaxing. As you can see here, mas makikita nyo pa yung relaxing view later when we got there sa Nipa Hut. So, I will show you later. Together, let's enjoy this video, this vlog. So, bit-bit ko na yung mga iba naming food. I'm just waiting for my sister. And yeah, let's see each other later. Sobrang pagod ko. See you later! Hi guys! So, it's currently 1 p.m. and we just woke up. That's my mom. And my dad is there. We just woke up. So, kanina pagdating namin, nag-breakfast kami. Dito na rin kami nagluto kasi may kitchen there. And then, for details, pwede kayong magluto here sa Nipa Hut. Nagpo-provide sila ng lutuan and then, bibilin nyo lang yung butane sa kanila. Pero, pwede din naman kayong magbaon ng panluto nyo. And then, we just woke up and pumunta kami doon sa pinaka-restaurant nila. And, dahil medyo nagugutom kami, so, nag-order kami ng, eto, parang pika-pika siya, fish balls, hot dogs, and kikiam, and then may mga refreshments sila. This is cucumber, and this is lemon tea. Ayan. Tapos, meron sila ditong overload fries. Ayan, kita mo naman, sobrang overload. Tignan mo naman ang cheese niya, sobrang overload. So, yeah, magme-merienda lang kami, and later, sama ulit kayo kasi may pupuntahan naman tayo. So, yeah, see you later. So, hi guys. It's already 4:31 in the afternoon and we will go to the other cafe. I think it's Capiate. Hindi ko ma-pronounce. Pero ito yung name. Yan. We're going there. Magka-cafe kami. And then, there's also overlooking doon sa place na yon, and we will try their foods. Medyo review. Hindi tayo food vlogger. I mean, hindi tayo expert sa mga foods. Pero, yun, titikman natin yung mga coffee nila, and kung may pastries, we'll order. Samahan nyo ako as we'll go there with my family. Here it is. Ayan sila. Ay, ate, bakit ka nagaganon? Ayun. So, ito yung pinaka-Nipa Hut na accommodation namin. Habang nagtitiktok sila sa ang galing. So, ito yung view. Papakita ko sa inyo. Sobrang ganda dito and meron palang table dito. Sa may, dito kami magde-dinner later. And, chika-chika about life. Uy, that's my father. Nagsa-cellphone. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung view ko from here.
View from here? Ako lang naman to.
Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Charet. Okay, so ito yung view. There, sobrang ganda, diba? Kapag magulo ng mundo. Ay, hindi pala pwede. Copyright. Ang ganda, diba? It's so giving. Diba, ang ganda? Pag ganyan yung view mo everyday, parang, I am the king of the world. Samahan niyan lang ako because we will go to the cafe. And, yeah, let's go. Bye. Hi pa. Na-enjoy mo naman ang ating Holy Week celebration? Ha?
Kulang.
Kulang? Bitin? Gusto mo pa? Extend?
Pwede tayo.
Ha?
Pwede.
Ah, hindi pwede. Hi, boss. Ah, mali.
Shoutout po kay boss.
Shoutout po kay boss. Ay. Ay, sarap buhay.
Laki-chan.
Kaya nga, nakikita ko na yung mga...
Nakikita mo sa imagine mo.
Gagawin ko talaga yan.
Sabi mo pa ba? Nakikita mo sa imagine mo. Pa, sabi mo yun. Pa, nakikita mo sa imagine mo.
Lahat ng mga
Dali no, isa lang.
kayang gawin, gagawin ko na.
Sabi mo,
Sarili ko na.
Sabi mo muna, nakikita mo sa imagine mo.
Oo, nakita ko sa imagine.
Sumasakses step by step. I love you, babe.
It's already night. Anong oras na?
6:36.
6:36. We just got home. Ah! Home! Ang ganda ng bahay namin. Oh, pak! It's Nipa Hut. So, yeah. Let's have a room tour para magkaroon na kayo ng idea if ever plano nyong mag-staycation dito sa Altitude 2000. So, we just got home from the other cafe. So, nag-review ako ng mga foods and drinks nila doon. So, yeah, let's proceed na sa ating room tour for our Nipa Hut accommodation here in Altitude 2000. So here, as you can see, ayan siya, Nipa Hut, yung ating accommodation na chinus. Meron daw kitchen, which is yung mama ko is there. She's now cooking sinigang for our dinner. Ayan, ito naman, ano ginagawa mo? Baby time. Charot. Ayun, so my father is helping my mother. He's helping mama na magluto ng aming dinner. So yeah, that's the kitchen, and that side naman is the CR. Exclusive for the Nipa Hut accommodation. So yeah, let's go na inside our Nipa Hut. So excuse me, kasi for sure medyo hindi na siya kasing linis ng before. So, ayan. And pasok na tayo. It's a sliding door though. Ay, sobrang arte. So, ayan. Ito yung ating accommodation, Nipa Hut. Ayan siya. Makikita mo naman. Sobrang ganda. As in, parang you're one in nature. Hi! So, ito yung bed. Extra beds. Bed. And then, extra beds. Meron dito tig-isa. And then, ayan, medyo nandito na yung mga bags na nakakalat na dyan kasi kanina pa kami nag-accommodation. So, yeah, that's our foods and everything. So, eto, bukas, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view in the morning. So, yeah, sobrang ganda ng accommodation here kasi when you wake up in the morning, hindi ka magpa-party. Kasi pag gumising ka, yung view na pinakita ko sa inyo, which is here, ang makikita mo. Pero ipapakita ko yan tomorrow morning when I wake up. Tomorrow morning, kapag gumising tayo, so ipapakita natin yung view dyan. Sobrang ganda lang kasi glass doors yung nandito. Talagang makikita mo yung view kapag pagising mo pa lang. Sobrang refreshing na nakikita mo yung ganyang view pagising mo pa lang in the morning. So, we're planning to have one someday. Ay, charot. So, yeah, that's our room tour. Sobrang basic lang. Nipa Hut, and then nasa labas yung mga kitchen and comfort room. So, here naman, pag lalabas ka, here's the view from inside. Ayan. Meron ditong long table, which is dyan kami magde-dinner later. Dinner and chikahan and everything under the sun, under the moon, and the stars. Char. So, ayan siya. Long table siya. Pwede kayong dyan kumain ng dinner or breakfast if you want. Ayan. Yan siya. Sobrang basic lang pero sobrang ganda. Ayan yung isa sa mga, meron akong videos yun before na meron akong, yung before ko na vlog, meron akong video dyan. Sobrang ganda ng view from the top. So, ayan, ito siya paggabi. Sobrang relaxing. Diba? Sobrang relaxing. Tapos makikita mo itong view na to. Gabi na kasi hindi na siya masyadong nakikita. And yung city lights nandun banda. Pero that's okay. Pagising mo naman in the morning, it's lush green. Super greens talaga yan bukas ng umaga. And the reason na dito namin napiling mag-accommodation for the Holy Week is kasi for sure I am expecting na lahat ng tao this holiday is nasa beach. So ngayon, we chose to have a staycation sa ganitong view sa bundok. Nasa dagat kayo, nasa bundok naman kami. Kasi feeling ko mas konti yung tao and parang when you get older, parang mas gusto mo yung peace, tahimik, ganyan na environment. Mas nare-relax ka. So, ayun, so we choose this accommodation for this Holy Week kasi nga alam namin na mas tahimik siya and mas less yung crowd. So, yeah, that's all for our room tour. Madami na akong masyadong hanash. Later, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung magiging dinner namin. So, yeah, that's all. I begin to